Mars. Cold. Silent. Dead. Or is it really? What if I told you this red desert hides secrets stranger than science fiction? Secrets written in the sky, buried in ice, and carved into canyons. Stay until the end, because fact number 12 might rewrite the history of Mars and our future. 1. Size and gravity. Mars has a diameter of 6,780 kilometers. It's smaller than Earth, but larger than Mercury. Its gravity is only 37% of Earth's. On Mars, you'd feel like a superhero, jumping almost 3 times higher. 2. A Martian day. A day on Mars, called a sol, lasts 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35 seconds. Only 2.7% longer than an Earth day. Almost like home. But with a strange cosmic twist. 3. The lost magnetic field. Once Mars had a magnetic field that shielded it from deadly radiation. Now it's gone, and the surface is exposed to cosmic rays. But the crust still holds traces of this ancient armor. 4. Extreme temperatures from minus 153 degrees Celsius at the poles to plus 25 degrees Celsius at the equator. Average temperature at a freezing minus 55 degrees Celsius. 5. Blue sunsets. Here, sunsets aren't red, they're blue. Dust in the thin atmosphere scatters light in reverse, turning evenings into a Martian fairy tale. 6. Polar caps. The poles have 2 layers, a permanent one, a mix of water, ice, and dust. A seasonal one, dry ice that vanishes in summer and returns in winter. 7. An airless atmosphere. 95% of the atmosphere is carbon dioxide. The pressure is 160 times lower than on Earth. Without a suit, your blood would boil. 8. The most studied planet. After Earth. Right now, 3 rovers operate on the surface, including Perseverance and its mini-helicopter Ingenuity. Above them, satellites from 8 space agencies. 9. The largest volcanoes in the solar system. Olympus Mons is so massive it could cover France. Volcanoes in the Tharsis region may have even shifted Mars's axis of rotation. 10. 2 very different hemispheres. The southern one, old and cratered. The northern, a smooth plain, likely formed by a colossal impact. 11th. A canyon that dwarfs the Grand Canyon. Valles Marineris, 4,500 kilometers long, 200 kilometers wide, and up to 11 kilometers deep. It could stretch across the entire continental United States. 12. Lost oceans. Once rivers, lakes, and seas covered Mars. Now water lies in the polar caps and beneath the surface. Enough to cover the planet with an ocean tens of meters deep, if we ever melt it. Mars isn't just a frozen relic of the past, it's a planet with a history and maybe a future. One that could include us. The only question is, when we finally set foot on this land, will we find only rocks or something more? Enjoyed this exploration? Like and subscribe to Hypothetica, because the universe has more secrets than we can imagine.